Hello, good day everyone. My name is Adrian Ramrattan, and in this video I'm going to show you how to install and set up email postfix server. Alright, so first step you want to do a yum install postfix and devcut. Next you want to start postfix, enable it, and start devcut and enable it as well. And if you want to check if the package has been already installed, you can run this command right here. And right after that, we want to go to this folder. We want to gedit the main.cf. All right, and in this, we want to go to lines 94, remove the hashtag, and enter our domain name. And my domain name is adrian.local. So if I scroll to lines 94, host name, I removed the hashtag, and I added my host name here. Next, what you want to do is go to lines 132, which is here. We want to remove that hashtag. And for lines 133, 134, and 135, we're going to leave this as commented. Next, we want to go to lines 183 here and remove the hashtag. Next, we want to go to lines 438 and we want to remove the hashtag from there as well. Next, we want to go back to lines 103. Right here, my domain name is adrian.local. Next, we want to go to lines 127 and 1, hold on. So, I believe it's lines 117. Yes, lines 117 and lines 118. Sorry, this is my mistake. And we want to remove the hashtags from those as well. Next, we want to go to lines 283. Right? And we want to add our IP address here, as well as our subnet mask. So after we've done that, we save and exit, and we can check the status of Postfix to see if there are any errors. So I'm gonna systemctl, and here it says enable and active. It's working. All right. Next up, we want to gedit the dovecot conf file. So here we go. And here we want to go to lines 24 and remove the hashtag. So as you can see, lines 24, protocols, remove the hashtag. Save it and exit. Next, we want to do a restart on dovecot and check the status of it to see if it's working. Next, we want to add the firewalls. So I've added these commands here for the firewall. And we want to make sure we'll do a netstop dash TULNP to make sure it's at port 25. So let me do that quickly. Yeah, if we scroll to cart, All right. The next step we want to do is edit the devcode.conf file. So copy this, paste it here, and we go to lines 10, remove the hashtag and set that to enable. Oh, sorry, wrong one. We go to lines 24, man. So yeah, we remove the hashtag and save and exit. Now we go to the auth.conf file. And here on lines 10, this table plain text auth equals no. So we basically enable it. And we go to lines 100 and remove the hashtag and set this to plain login. Next, we want to gedit the master.conf file. So save that and exit. So copy this command. Then we go to lines 39 to 41 and remove any hashtags. So from lines 39 to 41, there's a hashtag before port. You remove that. And then we go to lines 101. We remove any hashtags. And we go to and no lines 102, remove hashtag and add postfix over here because it was blank before. So you add postfix here, and for group, remove the hashtag and add postfix here. Save that and exit. Next, we want to gedit the ssl.conf file. So copy this command. And then we go to lines 8, remove the hashtag and set SSL equals no. So you can see here. And then we want to save and exit. Then what you want to do is restart Dovecot and restart Postfix. And here we can add our email users. So I have already added email user 1. I'm gonna add email user 2 just to show in this way. So user add email. And we want to set a password. So pass the email to set password. Okay, repeat it. All right. Now we want to go to our client and install Thunderbird. So yes, when you finish install Thunderbird, you open it. And here you can see I've already added email user 1 here and I've got emails working for it. So just to show an example for email user 2, I'm gonna create a new account, email account. Okay, so I'm back. And okay, so these are the two emails from email user one. Click here and to set up another account, right? Here we want to type your full name. So I'm going to type email user two. Our email address will be email user two at adrian.local. Our password. Next we click continue. Configuration by trying common server names. So as you can see, it is using POP3, no encryption. My host name, which is Adrian.local, uses SMTP and our username. We click done and I understand the risk and confirm. So what usually happens is, well, not usually. What happens is sometimes when you click done, it doesn't like you'll have to set your own port and host name. So if that ever comes up, you just type in your host name alone, start with port 110, connectivity security none, authentication method normal password, username, which is which in my case was email user two. Then you repeat again for the second time, Adrian as your host name, port 35, sorry, port 25. That was meant to be port 25. And repeat the same as above. When you click, then after you have to click retest and it should work and then you click done. So now I'm going to test the email between users. So I go back here. As you can see, I have email user 2, inbox is empty, and email user 1, which already has two test messages. So I'm going to switch to email user 1 and write a new message to, so email user 2, subject test2, and here I'm going to just type a random. Now we're going to click send. Okay, let me fix this error. Oh, okay, so if I just click on here, this is get messages. Ah, so yeah, so it does work. Nice. I've never encountered that before, but seems to have worked. And next, what we can do is go back to our terminal on our server and send an email from there. So I'm going to quickly test that. I've done it for email user 1, so I'm going to try it for email user 2. I'm going back to my server. Okay, set that. And we want to, so okay, first we want to log in as email user 2. So SU email, okay, and then we want to send mail. Send mail, email to Adrian dot local. Okay, now we want to type a message. So User two, this server. Okay, and then we want to finish it with a dot. All right. If I go back to my client and I click on the inbox for email user two, click on get messages, and yes, here it is. Hi, user two, this is the server. So yeah, that is it for Postfix and Dovecot. I hope you all find this video helpful, and yeah, have a great day.